Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, February 23, 2024 on our channel. Ingersoll Rand acquires Friulair to expand air treatment capabilities. Restoration plans approved for Grimsby Ice Factory. The EHPA has developed a manifesto by heat pumps. Samford University partners with Johnson Controls. Government of Canada launches strengthened heat pump program with Nova Scotia. Sensitech launches TempTale GEO X Solution. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Ingersoll Rand acquires Friulair to expand air treatment capabilities. Ingersoll Rand Incorporated, a global provider of mission-critical flow creation and industrial solutions, closed on the acquisition of Friulair SRL, Friulair, in an all-cash upfront purchase price of approximately M. Based in Italy, Friulair is recognized globally for its design and production of dryers, filters, aftercoolers, and accessories for the treatment of compressed air as well as its chiller product line. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Restoration plans approved for Grimsby Ice Factory. The local council in the UK has approved a plan to transform the abandoned Grimsby Ice Factory into a versatile venue while preserving its historic compressor room. The Grade 2 listed building at Grimsby Docks will be repurposed to include offices, research and development space for offshore renewables, and a conference and live event venue with a capacity of 1,000. Additionally, plans for a 161-bed hotel for wind farm workers nearby have been given the green light. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. The EHPA has developed a manifesto by heat pumps. In the next few months, voters across Europe will take part in the 2024 EU elections. After this, a new EU Commission and Parliament will be in place. They will need to address energy security concerns, tackle climate change, and bolster economic competitiveness. With heating and cooling accounting for almost half of the EU's energy consumption, addressing this sector is of paramount importance for a greener, more resilient and competitive European Union. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Samford University partners with Johnson Controls. Johnson Controls and Landmark Development, in partnership with Samford University, have launched the first phase of a 15-year campus master plan to design, develop, operate and maintain campus improvements at Samford University in Homewood, Alabama. The plan positions Samford University for growth, mission fulfillment and long-term financial success by building and servicing the new facilities to accommodate planned enrollment growth while enhancing the experiences of students, staff, faculty and the community. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Government of Canada launches strengthened heat pump program with Nova Scotia. Making the switch to an efficient heat pump can help Canadians save thousands of dollars each year on their energy bills and reduces household pollution. The benefits of switching to a heat pump are clear, and the Government of Canada has been bringing these benefits to Canadians through the Oil to Heat Pump Affordability (OHPA) program. Andy Fillmore, Member of Parliament for Halifax, on behalf of the Honourable Jonathan Wilkinson, Minister of Energy and Natural Resources, the Honourable Tory Rushton, Nova Scotia's Minister of Natural Resources and Renewables, and Stephen MacDonald, President and CEO of Efficiency One, announced that Nova Scotia will co-deliver the strengthened OPA program, in partnership with the federal government to make the shift to heat pumps even more affordable for more Canadians. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Sensitech launches TempTale GEO X Solution. Sensitech, a leading provider of supply chain visibility solutions, announced the launch of TempTale GEO X, a state-of-the-art IoT temperature monitoring solution tailored to the needs of the life sciences industry and logistics organizations. The TempTale GEO X delivers a validated, GXP-compliant solution to monitor temperature-sensitive medicines and vaccines transported globally across different modes including air, ocean, road and rail. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.